So ever wondered or if you ever been like worried about losing access to a Wix account, just imagine having a safety net that helps you recover your account really fast. In this video, I'll show you how to add a recovery phone number to your Wix Builder account, to your Wix website builder on Wix editor, so you can secure your site and have a peace of mind knowing that you're always connected. So let's make sure your account is protected with just a few simple steps. And if you find this helpful, please subscribe for more tutorials and like these videos. So what you're gonna need to do here is, let's click on site, and then here we have exit editor. So let's click on exit editor. Shouldn't take that long. And now here we have all the websites we have created. And then what we're gonna have to do here is to click on here on our profile, and then here we select account settings. And then from here we can just scroll a little bit down, and then from here we can add the recovery phone number. Okay, now we're just gonna click on here, add phone number. You're gonna add your phone number here. You're also gonna have first to confirm your number, and then you enter your number here. So yeah, just enter your phone number here, and then you confirm your phone number. First, you choose a number, so enter here your phone number, then you confirm your phone number, and that's pretty much the process. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have more questions about Wix, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next Wix tutorial. Take care.